facing the police every single day.
Hey, Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Cop Watch, and the new sign is in. Fuck the police. They only help rich white people, and that is so true here in Punta Gorda. I've been assaulted 5 times, and the cops, the sheriff, the feds, state attorney, you name it, will not charge the people with the crimes. It is outrageous. This is deprivation of rights. Fuck the police. They only help rich white people, which is completely illegal, unconstitutional, and un-American.
Mommy.
Hey, fuck you.
Oh my God.
Why you gotta leave her?
Oh my God.
Look at how easy it is. Look
Oh
how easy
my God. Get away, stalker.
Andy, come on.
Get away, stalker. Get away, stalker.
Look at this.
Get away, stalker. Get away, stalker.
Andy, how was your court date?
Get away, stalker.
Run, Andy. Run.
Get away, stalker.
Run.
Get away, stalker. Get away, stalker. Stop following me, stalker. Stop following me, stalker. Stop following me, stalker.
Why you gotta leave her?
Oh my God.
Look at how easy it is. Look how
Oh
easy it is.
my God.
Andy,
Get away, stalker.
Andy, come on.
Get away, stalker.
Come on. That didn't
Get
take
away,
that long.
stalker.
Look at this.
Get away,
I hate
stalker.
free speech.
Get away, stalker.
Andy, how was your court date?
Get away, stalker.
Run, Andy. Run.
Get away, stalker.
Run.
Get away,
One
stalker.
guy. Oh, that's it. It just takes one guy.
Get away,
Look
stalker.
at it. Hey, look at it. Andy.
Stop following me, stalker. Stop following me, stalker. Stop following me, stalker.
There has been so much publicity recently about incidents on college campuses where speakers are shouted down, shut down, violently disrupted. Do they have a right to be protected from these kinds of shout downs, which are called the Hecklers Veto? My name is Nadine Strawson. I am a professor of constitutional law at New York Law School and the former head of the American Civil Liberties Union. Do you have a right to engage in a heckler's veto and to stop somebody whose ideas you hate from expressing those ideas? The answer to that question is no. The heckler's veto violates the speaker's First Amendment free speech rights. The so-called heckler's veto also violates the First Amendment rights of audience members who want to hear that unpopular message. And it's very interesting to note that the Supreme Court came up with the concept of an illegal heckler's veto in the context of the 1960s civil rights movement. Today, we usually see the heckler's veto wielded in an attempt to suppress racist or other hate-mongering speech. It's really important to know that it is a neutral concept that often, and from its beginning, has been used to protect the speech of civil rights activists. Back in the 1960s, when in many parts of the country, Martin Luther King and other civil rights activists had messages that were deeply unpopular and controversial, government officials tried to stop them from speaking and from demonstrating, arguing that there would be violent disruption by people who disagreed with their messages. And in fact, there was violent disruption. Rocks were thrown, bottles were thrown, people were injured. And the United States Supreme Court said, this constitutes an illegal heckler's veto. Government must use all of its available resources to prevent the violence. So, in a nutshell, do those who disagree with, object to, do they have a right to exercise a so-called Hecklers Veto. No! A Hecklers Veto violates very important First Amendment rights. My name is Nadine Strawson. Thank you for listening to Talks on Law.